Hi friends, a warm welcome to my YouTube channel Shantipriya Grammar Classes. So in this video, let us discuss how to write short stories. Okay, so please watch this video till end as it is a very important topic. So press the like button, whatever suggestions you have, you can put it in the comment box and share this video. You can also follow me in Instagram and Twitter also. I'll put the link of Instagram and Twitter in the description box so that you can follow me in that also. Yes. So now let us see what is a short story. A short story is a work of fictional narrative prose with a few characters, limited setting, and a single major event. A short story is meant to be read in a single sitting. So now let us see the format of writing a short story. So here short story requires a lot of creativity and imagination. Some important points to be kept in mind while writing a story are: think of a plot, decide about the characters, give a suitable title, use simple, easy to understand language, write short sentences, maintain coherence. That is what here your sentences should be logically connected. Try to bring out a moral or message in the end. So now let us see the sample short story writing here. Tell the truth. She was angry. She was angry at her husband. He lied to her. He lied many times. She was tired of his lies. She said enough was enough. She took off her ring. She dropped it into the toilet. She flushed the toilet. She got into her car. She got on the freeway. She drove the car fast. She was crying. She was very sad. She drove the car faster. She passed many cars. The speed limit was 60 miles per hour. She was going 80 miles per hour. A cop saw her. The cop chased her. The cop turned on his red light. He turned on his siren. She heard the cop car. She saw the flashing light. She drove faster. Now she was going 90 miles per hour. The cop drove faster. It started to rain. She didn't slow down. She lost control. The car rolled over. It rolled over and over. She died before it came to a stop. So this is about the story, Tell the Truth. Okay. Now let us see the next short story, that is Life is Good. I am happy. I have many friends. I have a large family. I have 4 brothers and 4 sisters. I am in the middle. 4 brothers are older than me. 4 sisters are younger than me. I go to school. I am in the 6th grade. I like my teachers. My teachers like me. I have friends in every class. My favorite class is history. I like to read about history. History is a story about our past. Soon we will all be history. Then kids in school will read about us. I hope they like our stories. My best friend is Bobby. Bobby and I do many things together. We swim together. We play basketball together. We ride our bikes together. I have many other friends. We all go to the mall on weekends. We go to movies. We go to restaurants. We tell jokes. We laugh. We have fun. Life is great. So this is another sample short story. Okay. So with this, I'm going to end today's topic. So those who have not yet subscribed my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Press the like button. Whatever suggestions you have, you can put it in the comment box and share this video. You can also follow me on Instagram and Twitter also. I'll put the link of Instagram and Twitter in the description box so that you can follow in that also.